All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
The slogan of Made in India and Make in India is being heard all over the world. The latest good news has come from the export sector of telecom equipment, where India has made a new record. The effect of India's increasing dominance in telecom equipment manufacturing is visible. Designed and manufactured in India, telecom equipment are now being exported to over 100 countries, the center has informed. Telecom Equipment and Services Export Promotion Council, TEPC, organized the Defense Sector ICT, Information and Communication Technology, conclave in collaboration with the Department of Telecommunications, Ministry of Communications and Ministry of External Affairs in New Delhi on 29 July 2024. A total of 18 companies showcased their products in the Defense Sector ICT conclave. There has been a tremendous increase in the export of telecommunication equipment from India in the last 7 years. According to Statista, in the year 2017, India exported equipment worth $1044 million. In the year 2021, exports reached at $4433 million. But after this there has been a very rapid increase. $7,378 million were exported from India in the year 2022 and $1.28 billion were exported from India in the year 2023. At the end of fiscal year 2023, the export value for telecommunication instruments from India was approximately $17.3 billion. But the very latest data is bigger than this. Last year, the country exported telecom equipment and services worth more than $18.2 billion. This was a significant increase in the export value from the previous year. Madhu Arora, Member, Technology, Digital Communications Commission, Department of Telecom said, "Many of our homegrown telecom companies have made their mark in Western nations, including the US, despite fierce global competition. The Indian Army has recently integrated its first indigenous chip-based 4G mobile base station, developed by our own R&D firms." Addressing the Defense Sector ICT conclave in the national capital where 18 companies showcased their products, Arora said information and communications technology, ICT, forms the backbone of defense operations. Also, the senior official remarked, India's vibrant ICT sector, marked by innovation and integrity, has established a significant presence over the past decades. The Indian ICT industry is providing solutions to the world, showcasing India's leadership in this domain. Abhishek Singh, Joint Secretary in the Ministry of External Affairs, said the MIA is actively working to enhance cooperation with Africa in the ICT sector. By focusing on emerging technologies like AI and blockchain, we aim to address specific challenges faced by African countries. India has emerged as one of the top 5 investors in Africa, with cumulative investments of around $75 billion. Several Indian companies have been instrumental in driving digital transformation across the continent. According to Sandeep Agarwal, immediate past chairman, Telecom Equipment and Services Export Promotion Council, TEPC, ICT is critical for maintaining the sovereignty and integrity of India. India, with its long-standing cooperation and respect for African sovereignty, is a reliable partner in this field. Sandeep Agarwal also said that our expertise in data analytics and artificial intelligence empowers our defense forces with predictive insights and actionable intelligence, enhancing decision-making and operational effectiveness in the front. Meanwhile, Apple is planning to introduce its Make in India iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max models in India shortly after their global launch this fall. These high-end iPhones, assembled in India, will be available within 1 to 2 months of the global launch through a partnership with Foxconn's facility in Sriperumbudur, Tamil Nadu. The iPhone 16 will also be available on the first day of global sales in India, just like the previous year when the iPhone 15 debuted in the domestic market on the global sale day. Following this, the iPhone 16 Plus models will be made available. About TEPC. Under the ambit of the foreign trade policy, TEPC was established by the Government of India during the year 2009 to promote and develop the export of telecom equipment and services. The Council's scope encompasses the entire telecom ecosystem including ICT hardware and software, infrastructure products, service provision, system integration and consultancy services. TEPC effectively caters to the diverse stakeholders within the telecom domain, including equipment manufacturers, system integrators, service providers and other relevant entities.